Okay, now we've looked at the screens, how they work. Let's go to the guard. And again, this is what I'd had before. Again, just starting the game, initializing, and then it's the back and forth motion. Also, anyone who was smart enough might have noticed in the earlier episodes I had that still set to a new message, and I had found it when I was working around, so it's back to the start game message. And then this is just simply, here's the trigger for when the player moves through and gets caught by the guard. Now, again, the XY of this character is right here on the eyeball, but the hitbox is anything in this square around it. So if anything in that hitbox, even an area out here a little bit past my forehead, were to touch the guard, then it will trigger it. So the hitbox is different from the origin, the XY origin. So I could have put this actually in the player, so the player would recognize that the player has touched the guard. But it's just easier to have it here. The player has, quite a bit of stuff in it already, so I just decided to put this with the guard and put the other one here. So again, when the game starts, it forever is in this cycle, always checking, always checking. If touching player, and again, you can turn this to anything. So if touching player, broadcast lose, which again, this goes to the screens, and then stop this script. Keep it from, the other problem is, if the player stops here, this is continually touching, it's going to run this program over and over and over again. So this broadcasts and then stops that cold so I don't get caught in a loop. And that's all there is to that. So player moves through, gets caught by the guard, triggers the is this true? Yes. Triggers this, and then that will bring up the these screens here.